Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the drum counter on a Brother MFC-7365 printer. It's a pretty simple process. First thing we're going to do is open the front door. And then we're going to remove the toner and the drum. They come out together in one piece. But now we need to separate the toner from the drum. And you do that by pushing down on a little green tab on the side of the drum. Once you push that tab down, you'll be able to separate that. We'll set our old drum off to the side. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum. Inside of every Onyx brand drum, you will get written instructions on how to replace the drum. Now that we have our new drum, we're going to reinstall our toner into the drum. You'll feel it kind of click into place. Once you install the toner into the drum, you're going to want to, there's a little green tab at the top of the drum, and you're going to want to slide that across the full length of the drum about 2 or 3 times, making sure that it ends in the same place that it started. There'll be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. Now that we got that done, we're going to reinstall the toner and drum into the printer, making sure that it's firmly inside the printer. Now we're going to leave the front door open, and we're going to press clear. The screen will ask you replace drum. You'll press 1 for accept. And after that, you just close the front door, and just like that, you're back up and printing.